I wish you were not dead because, you were the best mama ever. And then you were doing everything right for me. And if you die when you are very old, I will cry because I love you.
I love you. No, I will not die.
And this is the best part. You are the best mama in the whole entire best world.
Thank you, baby.
And if you are very, very old, you will die if you are so old.
Yeah, all people will die. Anak, kasi that's the way
But I
it
will
is.
miss you. I want to
Basta you
I want
always...
to visit you when you die.
Oo, if I'm old na. Because that's the way it is. We will always pray, okay? I love you too.
I love you.
Always say that mama is the very, very best mama in the whole entire world.
Mama.
Is that true?
But Mama, what is your favorite color?
Favorite color is gold and green and silver.
I like green.
You like green too?
Mrs. Lilligard also like green.
Oh yeah.
I did tell Mrs. Lilligard.
Okay, love you, baby ko. You are my best anak.
At Mama.
And Mama K too, and Kuya Alec too, and Kuya M too.
This is also the really best part. You know what?
What?
Because you are the best mama and the best beautiful girl and mama that I don't want to leave you in the whole entire world. I want to stay beside you every day.
Okay, I love you.
And I want you to get money so you can buy anything you want.
Okay. Love you.
Love you.
Kiss na. Are we going to sleep now? Love you, baby.
Love you.
Naku, sweet talagang sweet talaga ng anak ko. Lagi niya kasing sinasabi every day is, Mama, you are the best mama in the entire world. Mama, you're the best mama in the entire world. Kahit pinapagalitan ko siya at pinapalo ko siya, I'm the best mama in the entire world daw. Minsan kasi, she's makulitin pasaway kaya napapalo ni mama. But my baby is... Kahit maldita si Eunice, she is very, very, very sweet na little girl. Right? My baby is the sweetest. My baby is the cutest. My baby is the maldita, yes. Pinakamaldita. Pinakasumpungin. Pinaka makulit. Pero pinaka-sweet at pinaka-loving. I love you, baby.
Mama, if you see something very, very sweet, you do like this. Like this.
Okay. Kiss na.
Or like
Kiss
this.
na, kiss na ulit. Kiss na, kiss na. What is our kiss?
I know the kiss.
Our normal kiss is... That's our normal kiss. Sup kiss yun eh. Sup kiss yun. You're ato ko. Ganon ko siya i-kiss. Kaya that's our normal kiss.
This is our other